Hey guys, so I got a package from Kohl's. I wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys. I kind of know what it is, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of share it with you guys and record my initial reaction. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's another squishmallow. I know I have a problem, but can't help it. These are so cuddly and so cute. It's a little puppy. I think it's a golden retriever, I think. But it says hugs and squishes on there, and it's so cute. Obviously, so soft, so cuddly. Let's see if it has a name on here. Oh, it doesn't have a tag. But, oh, it's right here. So it's called Steven, and it is, what does it say about it? So he's a certified scuba instructor, and he loves how quiet the world becomes when he's swimming underwater. But yeah, anyways, this is my latest squishmallow to my collection. Wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, have a great day.